Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing the Indoraptor from Jurassic World: The Fallen Kingdom. So yeah, I'm going to start with his eye since that's what I usually don't draw. So I'm going to use this pencil right here, and I'm going to draw his eye like, so you want it to be like in this area. So I'm just going to start by making that right there. And so then I'm just going to make that coming down. So it's just going to come like that. So now I'm just going to have just some lines around there. We can also add like very sharp people. So just like that, like that. We can also just add some lines like that. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. And just add some over here, and so just like a little bit more of this stuff up here. So yeah, just down here too, just like to make it look like you have a dinosaur eye. So yeah, I'm gonna have it like that. And so yeah. And so now I'm just gonna have a line coming up from here, and it'll go like that. And we'll have another, so this part, I think it's gonna be like his eye section part, like the top of his head. And so I'm gonna bring this over here. So yeah, it might look weird at first, but yeah, I think I tilted the eye a little too much. It should be fine. So yeah, we can just also add just some more details in here. Just like stuff like that. Yeah, just some lines right here too. Just like that. Just add some broken lines. And so now I'm just going to bring this over here. And so I'm just gonna come like that. And so yeah, also yeah, I messed up there. Just make sure to draw like kind of higher. So like just like that. And so I'm just gonna have a circle, like a oval shape right like that. And so, yeah, this is just gonna be right here. So yeah, the other side is just gonna come down a little like right here. So yeah, just something like that. And so yeah, I can just like thicken up this line right here. So yeah, just like something like that. And so yeah. So now I'm just going to have, so yeah, we've got like the top of the head down. And so now I'm just going to like add the bottom. So like we're gonna have the jaw right here. And it's gonna be like something like that. So yeah, it might look weird at first, but trust me, it's not going to. So yeah, we can just add some teeth in these like holes, these bumps. Yeah, just try not to add like too many teeth. And so that's just gonna be like that. And so yeah, I only took in 3 minutes. So and now I'm just gonna have so the bottom jaw is going to be, so first I'm gonna add like the back of it, like which is like right there. And I'm gonna have, yes, fleshy things right there. And now it's just gonna be something like that. So his mouth is gonna be like slightly opened, just like or no. So I'm gonna have it's like that. Or yeah, so just make sure, yeah, that the bottom jaw isn't that long. So yeah, we can just add teeth on the bottom. And so yeah. Yeah, so like they're not like as big, and that's thunder if you heard it. So yeah, it's almost gonna be 2 years since my first uploaded it. It's a long time ago. So yeah, just like that. So now I'm going to have this. Oh my goodness. Alright, so it's gonna be like that, and I'm just going to have, so yeah, we're just gonna connect this back up there. So yeah, it might just look weird. Yeah, just again, it's not going to. So yeah, I did not clickbait. I hope I didn't clickbait. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be like kind of what the mouth is gonna look like. Yeah, but not really that detailed. So I'm gonna have the other side coming back there. And so yeah, now I'm just going to have like some lines right here, like, you know, like what dinosaurs have. They have like that stuff, like this stuff. Yeah, but like every time I draw it, it looks bad, so I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, it just does not look good when I draw it. Yeah, I'm just gonna have that right there, and so yeah, just do that. And yeah, I'm just gonna add some lines on this, so just like that. And so yeah, we can also have like, oh yeah, so yeah, we can also just have like some scale stuff right here, and like just anywhere around here. And yeah, I'm still kind of surprised nobody has commented that I am left-handed. Yeah, I don't know how people haven't commented about that. So anyway, oh yeah, I think I drew it a little too small, so I might have to like change the thumbnail a little. So I'm gonna have, or change like the video, so you, like, I don't know. I'm gonna have that like that. And, or no. So we're just gonna have it like a little bit thinner. Like just like very thin nostril. So, just like that. You're not gonna see this other side. So, yeah. We can also just add some, like, he might have some scratches or something, you know? So, we could just have, like, this stuff. It's always just cool to add this. Just details you can put in there, but you don't have to do everything I do. So, just like that. And so yeah, now I'm gonna draw the neck of this thing, and it will just come like right like this. So yeah, once again, I drew it too small, so the proportions might not be right. So yeah, I'm gonna have That's going over there. I drew the head too small, I meant. Okay, so I'm gonna have this coming back there. So yeah, just something like that. Not that. Okay, so yeah, it's just gonna be like that. And I'm just going to bring the top over here. Yeah, I don't know why it looks like this right now, but it's so yeah, I'm just gonna have it like that. And so yeah, just like that. Alright, so it's gonna be like that. Okay, yeah, this sign is not supposed to be there, so I'm gonna erase that. And we can just add like a little bit of bumps here. And I'll just add it down like that. I can just add some lines like this neck, and just like, yeah, this stuff right here. And so yeah, now I'm gonna have so there can be like shadows right here, or just whatever you want to do. I'm probably not gonna add shadows, but we're just gonna make like lines like this, like then Dominus has this, I think, so we're just gonna have like lines coming like that. And I'm just, I don't even think I've drawn the Indoraptor on this channel, so it's just gonna be like that. And now this is just going to come up like that. And so just something like that. So yeah, that's like the neck and head area. So we can also just add, so yeah, the Indoraptor has these like quill things. I don't know why I just said that, but he has this these like sharp things, these black sharp things right here. Just add like some right there. Yeah, just add them like here and there. Oh yeah, I just realized. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to like have that down over here more. So yeah, like that. And so yeah, I'm just gonna try to make them like more like that. So yeah, just like something like that. Yeah, I know that does not look okay. So yeah, never mind, I'm not gonna do that anymore, so I'm not gonna say that stuff anymore. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase this, and we can have like these to be so this is completely optional. You do not have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm just going to make these pointed over here more, because I feel like it just looks better like that. So just gonna be like that. So this is just, I'm gonna go like that. Yeah, there's also just some like these in here too. Forgot. So yeah, I'm just gonna have these like right here too. Just go like in here, and I'm also just gonna add some more lines like that. So yeah, we're gonna have it like that. And so yeah, I'm just gonna make that like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna like, his back is like, yeah, I have no idea. I just drew it too small. It's probably just gonna be like, so I'm gonna have like a line. So like he has this like yellow strip on him. So like I'm gonna draw that. And so like, yeah, just gonna go. Well, yeah, not down there, but like, should be over there. I can add the other side. So you can add that like coming like that. And see, this is doing okay right now, and I'm just going to keep these coming over here. And so, just like that. I don't know why it looks like a chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna have this, that, so I can just add some detail on these. So yeah, just basically like that. Oh, I forgot, you could also just have like some more like right here too. I'm not too sure if he has it on his back, but I do think he does, so yeah, this is just gonna go up. Once again, I feel like they're too tall, so that I'm just gonna, and so yeah, I'm gonna make it like that. Well, yeah, I probably edited it to be this small, and I just changed it to the original right here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. This was a different tutorial, but I figured it'd get views, so I'm just gonna make it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.